I think the bigger question is this all the beginning of a dystopian hellscape, or is this the dawn of a new era of creativity and productivity? And obviously nobody knows the answer yet. I'm keeping my eye really tightly on the deepfake phenomenon. The point with deepfakes, of course, is that you can generate video and audio of anybody saying or doing anything, even if they never did it. So,
When you say
for
you, literally you, anybody
you,
watching this can do
anybody,
this.
that's right. And for 10 years, it's been this is the end of news. This is the end of trust. This is the end of politics. This is the end of democracy because you can make a video of a presidential candidate saying, I like to have sex with sheep, and that guy's finished. But I read the wildest article in the New Yorker a couple months ago that I can't get out of my head, and I'd love to know what you and your listeners think about this. He said, don't worry about deepfakes because after tens of thousands of these things have been put out there through several major elections, presidential elections even, there has never been one single case where a deepfake fooled anybody enough to change a vote, change an election. And it's true. There were deepfakes in 2016. There were deepfakes in 2020. All they did was make news as, ooh, look what you can do with AI. None of the, like, the Nancy Pelosi slowed down video was not actually an AI thing. Somebody just slowed it down.
Yeah.
But what I remember from that incident was not, ooh, Nancy Pelosi was drunk. No, what I remember for that incident was, ooh, somebody tried to make Nancy Pelosi drunk. So in this article, the guy says there's all these Gal Gadot Wonder Woman porn videos where they use AI to create deepfakes of Gal Gadot doing porn.
Sure.
But when you see those, your thought isn't, oh my God, she's doing porn now? No, your immediate thought is, oh, somebody put her face on someone else's body and made a fake. I think that's like, by definition, if something is shocking enough to change an election, I like to tear kittens apart, says Trump or whoever.
Right.
People would not believe it. If it's mild enough to seem realistic, then it won't change anybody's mind. I don't know if it's accurate. I don't know if I believe it. A number of people I've mentioned this to, including my wife, thinks that's dangerous thinking. But it is true that there hasn't, and there is some stuff in other countries going on. Sri Lanka, there are some other situations where deepfakes seem to be interfering with elections, but it hasn't happened here yet.